Dear students, today we'll see common errors in phrases. Prefer should be followed by to. Would prefer should be followed by to again. Rather should be followed by than. Sometimes would prefer also should be followed by than. For example, children prefer mobile games than storybooks. Here we are having prefer, so we should write to here, not than to. Children prefer mobile games to storybooks. I prefer coffee than tea. It's wrong usage. I prefer coffee to tea. It's correct. Students prefer computer games than volleyball. We shouldn't use than here. Students prefer computer games to volleyball. Students prefer computer games rather than volleyball. If we have rather, we can use than here. I would rather sit in the garden to watch it. It's wrong. Because after would rather, there must be than. I would rather sit in the garden than watch TV. I would prefer my son to live with me rather. Rather follows than. So it's wrong. Rather to live abroad. I would prefer my son to live with me rather than live abroad. I prefer cycling than walking. After prefer, we should write to. We should use to, not than. I prefer cycling to walking. Otherwise, we can write like this. I would rather cycle than walk. Okay. If you like this lesson, you please give a like, share to your friends and subscribe.